Hello and welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest trends and insights in the world of business. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Chat-GPT, our generative pre-training transformer, and how this cutting-edge artificial intelligence technology is shaping the future of business. So let's dive in and see what the future holds for Chat-GPT. One of the most exciting predictions for the future of Chat-GPT is its potential to generate new ideas and solutions that were previously unimaginable. By analyzing vast amounts of data and using advanced algorithms, Chat-GPT can come up with ideas that are outside the scope of human creativity. This has the potential to revolutionize industries such as marketing, product design, and finance, as businesses can tap into the innovative potential of Chat-GPT to stay ahead of the competition. Another prediction for the future of Chat-GPT is its ability to automate and streamline many business processes. By analyzing data and making decisions based on that analysis, Chat-GPT can help businesses save time and resources, freeing up employees to focus on higher value tasks. This could lead to significant efficiency gains and cost savings for businesses across a variety of sectors. Finally, the future of Chat-GPT could also include more personalized and targeted solutions for businesses and consumers. By analyzing data on individual preferences and needs, Chat-GPT can help create customized products and services that are tailored to the specific needs of each customer. This could lead to a more personalized and enjoyable shopping experience for consumers, as well as increased satisfaction and loyalty for businesses. As you can see, the future of Chat-GPT in business is exciting and full of potential. Whether you're a business owner or an employee, it's important to stay up to date on the latest developments in this technology and how it could impact your industry. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more great business insights and ideas.